Want a scrunchie to go with every outfit in your closet? We'll show you how easy it is to use bandanas to make these trendy hair accessories for yourself. You'll need some basic sewing supplies and one bandana for each scrunchie. Before you start, fold your bandana diagonally and iron it. A rotary cutter is a great tool for cutting your bandana. Measure in about 5.5 inches from the fold and roll the blade away from you. Later, we'll use this bottom section to make tails for our scrunchie. Now measure up 3 inches from the bottom and roll your blade across the fabric. You can toss the top triangle or save it for other projects. Next, cut off the diagonal ends to make a rectangle. Now separate the layers of fabric and sew them together at one end to create enough length for your scrunchie. And then just fold the fabric horizontally and stitch it up the side. You can use a safety pin to easily turn your fabric. Just attach it to the edge of one end and pull your material right side out. And now you're ready to add the elastic. Cut a piece 8¼ inches long and use a safety pin to pull it all the way through. To finish your scrunchie, tie the ends of the elastic tightly together and sew the ends of the bandana over it. If you want to add tails, grab the piece you set aside earlier and fold it with the right sides together. Then sew along the edge and turn your fabric. Now just tie the tail piece onto your scrunchie and it's ready to wear. Your project doesn't have to end here. You can make scrunchies to show off your school or team colors too. For more DIY inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to live a creative life.